This men's Ulysse Nardin Perpetual Calendar Ludwig is a gently pre-owned, extremely rare watch, as only 150 were made. From a company considered a legend even among leaders of the luxury watch world, you can rest assured this watch is top-of-the-line luxury. The platinum case and lugs contain an off-white, wave-guilloche dial that features a perpetual calendar in French. The skeleton window back shows the movement, surrounded again by platinum. This is a sleek, masculine timepiece with serious style. Powered by a Cal 32 automatic movement, this watch features a date window, a month window, a year window, and a day window within the subsidiary seconds. This is the perfect self-purchase or special gift to show appreciation for all he's done. "300 watches, infinite possibilities."